Once again, a very good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen. Now that we are on our way, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce myself and to add my personal welcome to together by Captain Mark AC. My name is Charlie, and I'm your purser on today's flight to Warsaw. It is my pleasure to have you on board with us today, and to welcome back our Executive Club members and our One World frequent flyers. Other members of my crew on board today assist me looking after our Club Europe customers. We have Timmy, and looking after our Euro Traveller customers, we have Penny and Anna. We have a chance to meet us all once we're out and about in the cabin. We are here for you. If there's anything I or indeed my crew could do to make your flight more comfortable, then please hesitate to ask any one of us. Well, as the captain has already mentioned, whenever you are seated, we do recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened. It must be securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. We're also concerned about your well-being on board. You can find advice and various exercises designed for your journey in the well-being pages of the Highlight magazine. On this flight today, in our Club Europe cabin, we will be offering an English breakfast. This will be served with your choice of tea or coffee or juices from the bar. And in our Euro Traveller cabin, a breakfast roll. Again, with your choice of tea or coffee or fruit juice. Then later on, time permitting, we will be coming out with a High Life shop. Well, that's enough for me now. I'll just leave you to sit back and relax.